In today's Aesthetic Medicine with Dr. Darm, we tackle the embarrassing problem of acne in people of all ages and hear what the latest non-invasive and pain-free solutions for acne. Please welcome from Aesthetic Medicine, Dr. Jerry Darm. Nice to have you back. It's funny, you even at my age, you get pimples now and again, you think, what am I, 14 again? And then my back goes out, and no, I'm not. But acne seems to develop in a lot of people, and now there's some new treatments. What are you using?
Well, we use laser. So the standard medical treatments for acne can be very frustrating. They don't always work. There's antibiotics. There's very caustic topical medications, and then there's Accutane, which can have a lot of terrible side effects.
And I would imagine for a lot of people with acne, and we're probably talking more severe acne,
right.
One of the dangers of treatment is you've got to be careful not to end up with scarring.
Correct. And the laser treatment that you're seeing here on your screen can actually help not only with the acne but also with the acne scars.
Well, how soon do you see results when you're getting laser treatments?
Well, it can take a while, a few weeks to months, but over the course of time, we generally get improvement in the acne, but also in the acne scarring as well. And these are non-invasive, relatively painless treatments, and both these lasers are FDA approved for the treatment of acne.
What kind of acne are we talking about? We're not talking about the occasional, pimple that just shows up on the chin or nose.
Anything from very mild to very, very severe acne can be treated with the lasers.
We're talking about, but there are some people for whom acne is a condition they just can't seem to beat it back.
Some people get it as old as 40 or 50. Kids, teenagers, obviously. The Rose Court is here today. Thanks for coming to my presentation.
So it works for all those folks. How many treatments do you need before you see the
We'll
results?
see about 6 treatments over the course of several months. And then in addition, we've developed, and I helped to invent, the home treatment handheld take-home device.
What does this do then?
Well, the answer device is a blue light, which helps to kill the bacteria, and the red light, which also helps to reduce the inflammation. And a very benign, you can use it 24/7.
All right, but those aren't just a blue and a red light bulb in there. Are they laser?
They're almost a laser. They're called LEDs. It's very, very close. The wavelength is very, very narrow, but they're very close to what we're using in the office. So they can come into the office, use the laser devices to treat the acne, and then treat it at home as well as with the topical products that we've developed.
So is this just kind of a maintenance program after laser treatment?
Well, the laser is way more powerful, and it gets rid of much more difficult problems and cases, but as a maintenance treatment, this is wonderful, and of course can be purchased online separately for the milder cases, for patients with milder cases.
Well, let's take a look at some before and after cases and kind of describe them to me. Look at this.
Yeah, this is a gal who was in her 50s, and she had acne for almost 40 years. And here's a fellow with his cheeks, and after about 9 treatments, his cheeks cleared up very nicely. Tougher with teenagers, to get clearing, and it comes back quicker. That's why we developed the handheld. Here's some very, very serious cystic acne, and she cleared up beautifully, as you can see.
Are there certain foods that you advise patients to avoid?
No, we don't really do any diet therapy, and we haven't really found that diet seems to affect it as well. Here's some scarring, as you can see, and here's some resolution of that scarring as well with the laser procedure.
And that scarring, maybe somebody who earlier in life, in their teens, 20s, with severe acne and now has scarring, can that be, you can correct that?
Yes, absolutely. And that's a permanent improvement as well.
You must see a change in the patient's personalities too.
Oh, acne is so emotionally scarring as well as physically scarring. It's just a very, very tough thing, and modern medicine doesn't always work. So these laser treatments, again, they're FDA approved, and
it's amazing what the advances. Job. Every time you're on, we find out something new. If you want to learn more about acne treatment, you can call Aesthetic Medicine, 503-697-9777, or head to our website, KATU.com. We'll link you to there. Aesthetic Medicine is located at 9735 Southwest Shady Lane in Tigard, and we've got all the information on our website at KATU.com. Thanks for coming in today. We appreciate it.
Thank you so much. Thanks for having me.